everyone, welcome again to my channel. So from this video I'm going to start my new playlist on one of the most important topics of engineering, that is system analysis and design. Okay, so in this entire video we will cover up in this entire playlist we are going to cover up all the important topics that are concerned with the system and what are the various phases of system development life cycles, and we'll discuss all those phases in brief. Okay, so this is just an orientation video. In this I'm going to tell you what are the topics that we are going to cover in this entire playlist. Okay, so firstly, the very first topic is what the system and its elements. Okay, so if we're going to learn a subject that is concerned with system, firstly we need to know what is a system, what are the elements of a system. Okay, and then what are the characteristics of a system, types of a system. Okay, so we will discuss first of all what is a system and the related concepts to the system. Okay, so after having a great knowledge of what is a system and what are the concepts of a system, types of a system, everything, then we will move towards the system development life cycle. Okay, so this is the most important phase of this entire subject. Okay, that is what the system development life cycle. Okay, so what is a system development life cycle? For example, if you're going to develop a system, the development process is divided into various phases. Okay, so these are those phases through which a system development basically passes on. Okay, so firstly we will have a quick look on all these this entire development life cycle, and after that we will discuss all these phases one by one in brief. Okay, so the very first phase is problem definition, and then planning phase, analysis phase, design phase, coding phase, testing phase, and then the maintenance phase. Okay, out of these all phases, these two phases are the most important and are the main heading of this subject, that is system analysis and system design. Okay, so basically इस entire जो हमारा system development life cycle है, इसमें से जो ये दो topics हैं, these are the most important topics. Okay, तो हम इन दोनों topics को, जो इन दोनों phases हैं, that is for the analysis phase and the design phase, इन दोनों phases को हम briefly discuss करेंगे. Okay, तो इन दोनों फेजेस में जो भी हम टॉपिक्स को कवर अप करने जाएंगे, सो दीज आर द टॉपिक्स. ओके, तो अगर हम बात करें कि एनालिसिस फेज में हम क्या क्या पढ़ेंगे, तो बेसिकली एनालिसिस फेज में हम देखेंगे दैट हु इज़ एन एनालिस्ट. ओके, सो हु इज़ एन एनालिस्ट, व्हाट आर द ड्यूटीज ऑफ एन एनालिस्ट. ओके, व्हाट आर द क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ एन एनालिस्ट, एंड फाइनली व्हाट आर द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस एनालिसिस फेज. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट द developer does in this analysis phase. Okay, so this is what about the system analysis phase. Now after analysis phase there is a phase that comes is what the design phase. Okay, so it is a quite important phase. Okay, usually students get very much difficulty in learning this phase, especially this physical design phase. Okay, so I will surely let you understand this entire phase with more easy way. Okay, so basically the design of a system is divided into two parts, that is first is what the logical design and the second is what the physical design. Okay, so logical design is what it for example, if you're familiar with C++ languages, then you also know about what are flowcharts. Okay, so what is a flowchart? It is a diagrammatic representation of a program. Okay, so in system design, the logical design is also like that. Okay, so firstly we used to create a chart of the entire system that we're going to create. Okay, in order to demonstrate it to the clients or the customers. Okay, so this is what the logical design. इसमें हम करेंगे structured analysis. Okay, जिसमें हम various types जो methods हैं logical design create करने के, like DFDs, data flow diagrams. Okay, flow charts क्या होते हैं, decision trees क्या होते हैं, इन सभी को हम क्या करेंगे, one by one discuss करेंगे. Okay, and then finally it comes to the physical design. Now physical design is for the actual design of a system, like what are the inputs that we want to add in the system, what are the outputs, how do we want to get the output of a particular input. Okay, and then database design. So these are the three main components of physical design, that is input design, output design, and the database design. Okay, so this is what the ending of this design phase. Okay, so after these two phases we will discuss what is coding phase. Okay, and then what is the testing phase, and finally we will discuss what is the maintenance phase. Okay, so this is what the entire discussion of our syllabus that we are going to cover in this following playlist. Okay, so guys, do support me, and if you want all the notifications of the videos that I'll upload regarding to this playlist, then you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and you can also share this playlist to all of your friends also. Okay, thank you.